Is duplicate content really bad? This is a question that gets asked a lot in SEO circles. News websites use syndicated content, which is essentially duplicate content, as each news story gets picked up and published by several websites. Google estimates that about 20 to 30% of all content of the web is duplicate content. If they were to treat all of the duplicate content as spam, then a large percentage of the web would be marked as spam. That would affect their search results. That said, autoblogs that scrape content from other websites will certainly not rank well in Google. What Google does not like is on-site duplicate content. If it sees several pages on your site are copies of each other, that will hurt your site and you will want to avoid it. Some content management systems like WordPress actually cause on-site duplicate content issues if they are not set up the right way. If you are using posts on WordPress and have category, date, and other archives on your site and use tags, then you are certain to have a very large percentage of on-site duplicate content. In addition, duplicate title and meta description tags are not good as well. Every page on your site needs to have unique titles and description. On-site duplicate content is like having a lot of dead weight that just keeps your site from performing well on the search engines. On-site duplicate content may not cause a penalty, but it will affect the performance of your site. The best way to handle on-site duplicate content in WordPress is to use the Yoast SEO plugin and no-index all of the category, tag, author, and date archives. This is what we did when we were configuring the Yoast SEO plugin. If you go to the WordPress dashboard and click on SEO, titles and metas, and select the taxonomies tab, you will see we have no indexed categories and tags. And if you go to the archives tab, we have disabled author archives and date archives. And you wouldn't want to show posts on the front page. Instead, you would want to use a static home page. Some sites have a lot of content in the footer, and all of this content will appear on every page and every post of the site. If you really need to use a lot of text in the footer, convert the text to an image so that it will not be seen as duplicate content. You will also want to specify canonical URLs. WordPress makes this very easy, but this used to be a huge issue with HTML sites. We will get to canonical URLs in a while.